In this video, we'll show you how to change the probe head of the Yuki wireless ultrasound. As you can see, our probe is connected to our Android tablet. To get started, freeze the app by pressing the power button on the P50. Then, pull off the probe head and replace it with your desired probe head. Once the new probe head is secure, press the power button to unfreeze the application. The software will detect the new probe head as shown on the tablet. You have successfully changed the probe head without turning off the probe or the tablet.